Hi, it's Tracy, Dougherty, real estate broker with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Hometown Realtors in Jacksonville, North Carolina. Appraisals are going to be the topic today. One thing many people think is that an appraiser inspects the property. This is not true. An appraiser is assessing value for the buyer's lender. The lender wants to make sure that when they agree to lend money for the loan, that if the buyer defaults, they will be able to recoup their investment. Now, with this in mind, an appraiser may note repairs needed on an appraisal. Let's say there's a broken window. It might be noted on the report, and the bank will want that to be addressed prior to closing, in most cases. It's important to hire an inspector to go through the systems of the property you're purchasing and to not rely on something that may or may not be found by an appraiser. Additionally, appraisals do have what you might consider an expiration date. If you have an appraisal done today, you cannot reuse it or use it 3 years from now. For more questions about appraisals or real estate in general, just give me a call. I'm happy to talk to you about all of your real estate needs.